Okay, starting this video with a black hole. That sucks. And we back it off, and here we are standing on the river. It's cold enough today. And there's
Peter?
Pete.
There's Pete.
There's Pete.
You're on video, Pete?
You're on video, Pete.
I'm on video? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to walk down the river. Upriver, as the case may be. It's upriver.
Up Cripple Creek.
This is actually Mead. It's Mead Creek. It goes to Beaver Mead.
Oh, okay.
So the beavers are all here. They're not down there.
Oh, look at it. It's like, you got like 4 inches.
That's probably from beavers. They come up for air.
Yeah.
Yeah, look how there's
so many.
They're evenly spaced.
Yeah. Get it. Just walking through the woods.
Yeah. It's too bad you can't do this in the summer. Like, you could, but it's a little bit muddy.
You be swimming? Big canoe.
I'm building a raft.
A raft.
I'm going to use bungee cords. There's the rabbits. Rabbit track.
A lot of nice dead trees you could burn here, right?
There's.
That's totally dead. You could burn.
You haven't been to the fort in a while. It's just.
Get lots. Lots of dead.
It would take you 10 years to burn all the stuff that's just right there.
Yeah, that's great.
Okay, you were there, but you weren't like
Yeah, I wouldn't see all of it.
paying much
You're
attention.
There and back.
You were, yeah.
Is it past the bridge? Or
Yeah, it's past the train bridge, but not much. Like that's, if you go through the woods, it's a mile,
Yeah, right.
right? On here, it's maybe 3/4. And that's why nobody goes there.
Yeah, it's far.
Look at that. That's a really good one.
I wouldn't go to that. Looks really thin.
It's good. It's good.
I'm quite at home in this kind of story.
It's good to hear.
Likes it.
Ooh.
The ice is talking to you.
The ice is talking. Pretty soon there'll be guys roaring down here.
On skidoos?
Yeah,
They do that last winter?
they do it every winter, but they've been a little bit shyer the last 2 years. Some berries.
There's another beaver. Look at that beaver knob.
Yeah,
See
there.
that, Pete?
Yes.
Beaver knob?
Yeah.
There's a whole new family here, like this 3rd generation. When I first came here,
Yeah.
the railway had dredged their dam,
Wow.
and I saw them. I saw the mother and father leave, but the son came back,
Cool.
and he started a family, and now we got like loads of them.
Wow. They're beautiful, eh?
Yeah,
They're wonderful creatures.
yeah, that's a good chew there.
I just wonder how they like die so humanity.
A miracle of nature.
All right. I think the only other time I've done this is from about here. I walked the a desk on its desktop. Me and Noah,
Yeah.
we flipped the desk over and pushed it
Why?
because you're not going to carry it from here to the fort. This was like a
desk.
100 pound or
Why did you bring? Is the desk there now?
that is the oven.
Oh, wow.
It's not, you can't see it. It's covered it with rock.
Cool.
I could reverse the camera here. Just doesn't matter. Do I need to be in my own video?
Good.
I don't know. You think so? Actually, I kind of forget how to do that.
You just flip the camera over. Say hi.
Well, actually, the rail bridge is coming up. I'll wait. This is actually the thinnest part, Ben. Coming to the rail bridge. Yeah, this is where the beavers are really active.
Really active.
They're really active here, yeah. As you can see, the evidence is here. Look. They're getting so they're doing a whole shoreline over here. Wow. That one's like a maple leaf. Yeah.
How do you like it, Pete?
Okay, maybe I will get on camera here for a second. You're gonna take a picture of me? Okay. I'm gonna walk towards the rail bridge, and you can take a picture of me.
Well, I'm gonna just keep the video on.
Keep the video on. Yeah, that's
Beautiful.
Right,
Look at the sky. Say hi to the camera, Pete.
All right.
What are you gonna do, Ian? Yeah. Yeah, I won't go near that. You aware of that, Pete? Don't go near there. Hey, Pete, don't go near there.
If you were to go through over there, you'd only be up to your shins.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's a beaver dam right there, isn't it?
That's what the rail guys took out the original beaver dam that was here with the dredge.
Wow. Are we almost there?
Yeah, we're almost there. I just want to show you. This is not the work of the beaver.
This you?
This,
Did you cut this
I
yourself?
did this with my saw, and that tree has floated down because it was like 2 years ago.
Is that the tree you cut?
That's the tree. And the
How
guy,
big was it?
Huh? What? The tree, it was huge. It was like a 70-foot tree. Anyway, the guys on their snowmobiles come through with their saws, and they made their path.
Cool.
Yeah. So, okay, over this way.
Are you good that we're still filming?
I'm great. I think this is great. I hope this is documentary.
Yeah, it is documented.
Documentary.
There it is. Pete, this is the thing I was telling you about. The ash tree field. Right there. It's a marsh area. See that?
Here's the spot where I crossed over from the railway track. Right here is the marker.
Yeah.
And you can tell how soggy it was yesterday.
Wow.
These are my footprints from yesterday. It was soggy. It's refroze. So,
This is in here, Pete. We gotta go in here.
this is one of the entrances.
Who dug this hole?
I did.
Holy shit, why?
It's got clay
Oh,
It's honey colored. It's clay the color of your hairpin.
wow. Wow. Look at that stove he made. Pete, look at the stove he made.
Listen, this is a cathedral. A cathedral.
Isn't it nice, the open? That's awesome, Ian. Holy cow.
Yeah.
I want to show Pete in here first.
These trees I took down myself. This one
How'd you do it?
with my saw.
Yeah. Your hand saw?
It's a bow saw.
Yeah, both saw.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's pretty nice here. Pretty open, you know.
Feels like a cathedral.
Oh, yeah.
Nature.
Very nice.
We could make a log cabin, eh, Ian?
That's what I'm going to do.
1, 2, 3. Take a few of these out with the chainsaw. Cut them up.
My idea is to take the old rail ties. They're about 180 pounds, and start with those.
Yeah.
And then maybe cedar for the roof.
Beautiful.
You know, like
Yeah.
boughs, cedar boughs for
Yeah.
the roof, right?
You should look up how to like make a log cabin without any
course.
nails. They use clay.
Yeah.
They just use clay.
I got two.
Yeah.
poles.
So you're
See
set.
that? See that? Well, I'll show you when we're finished with the tour.
Peter likes it. Look at him.
Yeah.
You can tell he likes it because he's
Right.
wandering.
It's a rare person that actually comes for a visit.
Hey, Pete, why don't you come this way?
Yeah, he wants to show you something.
Step on this one.
Yeah, it's over here, right, Ben?
Yeah, just in here. Beautiful, eh?
Oh. Isn't that something?
Yeah, didn't we try to break that?
I tried to break it with my foot, but it's still pretty solid yet.
I'd just leave it. Well, any last words to the documentary?
King of the river.
King of the River.
River King.
And what's my name again? Treebeard?
Well, you can have it if you like that, but I don't think I'm going to call you that because you don't have a beard.
I don't have a beard.
I
Peter
think
could be Treebeard.
Peter can be Treebeard.
Peter, you're Treebeard.
Yeah, you're Treebeard. Train's coming.
Oh, Pete, come see the train.
Train's coming.
Pete.
He's coming.
Oh, he'll see it.
He's enjoying it.
Isn't it beautiful? Look at the sun, the way the sun comes on the trees. He loves it. He loves it.
So in the summer, this is where I cross.
Yeah.
Because it's shallow. Like it's only up to your knee here.
Yeah.
And this is where I cross over. Yeah.
It's beautiful, Ian. Honestly, it's such a gorgeous place. Look at a little bird nest. Is the train coming this way?
The train is coming from Peterborough and judging by the horn, it might be 20 minutes before it gets here.
Right. Yeah,
I
man.
jumped it though.
I know you did, didn't you?
I
You
jumped
jumped
the
on
train
it?
when I took it home.
You jumped on the train?
Jumped the last car,
You jumped on it?
jumped on it, and I rode it home.
And did you jump off?
Yeah, I jumped off.
Did it hurt?
No, it was in the snowbank. Just
Oh. It's so
totally
funny.
cushioned my fall. Yeah, beaver breathing hole.
All right, Ian. Say goodbye to your documentary. Any
Okay,
last words?
documentary. Last words is I wish we could wait for the train, but it's going to be.
We can take another video.